Hey everyone, happy Easter. Welcome back. It is Sunday and I'm doing an encore with that starfish star technique. I absolutely love the way it came out. I played again with another one, but I'll show you guys this one now that it's dry. See if I can't catch that metallics and the color shift and everything. So this one definitely is going to get resin because I want all of these colors to be saturated again. But I do love the way it turned out. So we're just going to play with that same technique again. I have a lot more pastel, lighter colors placed aside. We're going to be doing a gray base here in a second. But the colors today are going to be Color Shift Pink Flash, Sherwin-Williams Lotus Flower, Deco Arts Rose Gold on the pink tones. On the bluer tones, I have Sherwin-Williams Hazel, Color Shifts Blue Flash. Then for purple, I have Skanda from Sherwin-Williams, and then the Color Shift Blue Violet with a blue hue to it. Kind of still debating on if I want Craftsmark Gold or not. No, I want Lucas Krill Silver Bronze. We'll do that one instead again. And then the Lucas Krill Titanium White and whatever's left of the Muted Pearl. Inside, I wanted to maybe play with doing the blues and the purples and the pinks and the whites on the outside maybe. I don't know, we'll play with it. So, let me get the base down and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we have our base coat down, just going to take our rings that I already reapplied all the paper clips onto after cleaning. So, again, we're just going to place this nice in center. Now, I tried to keep a little bit more paint in the center as well. And one thing I did learn from the last ones is to have something weighted, so I do have a spot. Or is it right here? Yeah. So I do have the ability to put some weights down while we fill this up real quick. I'm just going to be doing it as best as I can from that little opening. So it doesn't go underneath. And I decided that I wanted to keep that center one. I have to remove them anyway. I have to keep that center one with just the pearl, the white, and the Lucas Krill Silver Bronze. So, still sticking with the star colors in the center. And I realized the colors that I have lined up are very like morning dawn colors, so thought it'd be fun to play with the morning star. Ooh. The sound of an empty bottle. See how much. Come on. Squeezing out every last bit of this muted pearl. Alright. Now we're just going to come in and fill the 5 cylinders on the outside. And I'm thinking of starting with we'll go with the Deco Art Metallic Rose Gold. Now one thing I'm so happy that I did start doing is putting that mesh, especially with the metallics, putting a little piece of mesh in between the cap on all the metallics, because those seem to booger up very easily. So I'm so happy I decided to start doing that, and it keeps all my paint nice and clean and clear. Coming in with the Sherwin-Williams Lotus Flower, which there's not a lot of visual contrast between the rose and the lotus flower. But I'm hoping for that sheen difference. I'm going to skip one. We're going to come in to the color shift blue real quick before we do the pink. Come on. Just a squirt in each one. Another one for my pile. Gotta start mixing up colors soon. I'm running out of a lot. Jump into Sherwin-Williams Hazel. Alright, now is when I want to come back with this pink, since it does have a blue undertone to it. Just gonna squirt a little bit of it into each one. A little bit of the Skanda into each one. It's like a very light gray purple, lavender kind of tone to it. And last, the color shift blue. Try to remove these weights real quick. And now we're just going to lift, move to the side, and hope it doesn't drip. Just like that. Like we did in the last one, I'm just going to pull from the center out because I want to keep that star shape emphasized. And I did this like at least 2 times on both, or on all 5 sides. This will also be a fun time to play with adding extra arms before spinning it out. So let's come in and add little tiny ones out into that blue. Let's see what this does. Alright. Now for the spinning, and you don't want to go too quickly, so we're just going to spin it very lightly. And you can see all that paint that's on there. Oops. There's something in the paint real quick, hold on. Let's get it spinning out again. Cleaning up my hands with baby wipes on my glove. Let's see where this stops. Kind of liking that. I like how light it is. Wondering if I should spin it a little bit more. Get some more of that blue off those edges. Yeah. Help stretch out some of that paint. Yep, some more of these cells will start coming through that blue. And let me see if I can't touch that up real quick. Just a smidge maybe. I'm just going to dab the end of this paintbrush around, just kind of get rid of that harsh line. There we go. No more harsh line. But yeah, super easy. I'm loving the results that these are getting. Hit it with the torch one more time. Oh, that color shift blue over that edge right now is giving that really pretty purple on the corners where the light is hitting. As long as it remains like that, it's going to be really cool. Let me bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, so I just had to adjust the settings real quick so you guys get a lot better lighting. There we go, yeah. And it gave it a little bit more time for some more cells to pop up, especially through that Scanda. But there we are. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this and want to see more of these ring star technique is what I'm calling them. They create a star each time. Yeah, if you guys want to see more of these, let me know in the comments below. If you guys like this, hit the like. If you're new and want to see more stuff like this and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. But till then, bye.